Programmable coffee maker, 4 to 12 cups drip coffee machine with glass carafe, regular and strong brew, pause and serve for home and office, Taylor Swoden. Programmable coffee maker, wake up to fresh coffee with programmable timer. Simply set up the brewing time in advance. Regular and strong 2 brew strength options for choosing from. Mess-free serve coffee brewer 1.8L large capacity can make 12 cups of fresh coffee for family or party. The pause and serve feature allows you to serve coffee during the brewing cycle by removing the carafe to pour a cup. Cleaning cycle reminder, you can know when it's time to clean the drip coffee maker by the flashing green light. Keep warm Carafe Plate. The non-stick Carafe Plate of the coffee machine keeps coffee warm for 40 minutes after brewing is complete. 2-hour auto switch off function added safety and used peace in mind. Dual function, the permanent filter works with your favorite coffee grounds and teas like oolong tea, black tea, white tea. Not only a coffee pot, also can be a tea maker. Programmable coffee machine is easy to clean. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.